Hey everyone, welcome back. So, I know I've been gone for a minute. I apologize about that. I had 3 weeks that I was off work, a week from the eye surgery, a week that I was off in a school, and then I took a week for myself to relax. And that actually didn't work out too well because Mrs. Mo was out of town during that time, so I took the free time with no baby and no wife to get some stuff done around the house. So I actually worked probably about 10 times harder here at the house than I would have if I had just gone to work. So anyway, came back from that straight into getting a new recruit, and so she's with me right now. So I've been focused on the training and everything. Like always, you guys have heard me say it before, I'm just behind on everything. So thank you so much for bearing with me during this time, but there is stuff coming. I have a book review somebody sent me, which I think will be very helpful to a lot of the people who reach out to me asking for tips and tricks about what to expect and advice for getting hired as a police officer. This book covers every aspect of that. So I'm going to go over that real soon too, and I think it will be beneficial for a lot of the people watching these videos. As always, in the meantime, if you want to be a little more up to date in between these videos here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. All of those links for my other social media will be in the show notes below. It's usually the first couple things. Like I said, that's a little easier for me to pull out my phone and do some updates, couple little funny things at work when I can in between the full YouTube videos. So make sure you follow me there if you want to stay up to date on some of the things. I keep you guys in the loop of what's going on as best as I can. But now for today, the reason we're here is to announce the winners of the 50K or the 50,000 subscriber giveaway, which was sponsored by Galls. They sent me a bunch of gear to give out to you guys, and so that's what we're going to do today. Basically, what I did was I broke this down, and we have actually 7 winners. 6 that are going to be from the Galls giveaway, and then from my last giveaway with one of the Thin Blue Line cigar cutters. The person never claimed it. I reached out to them, never heard back, so that is getting thrown back in the mix, and somebody is going to win that today as well. So, without further ado, let's announce the winners. All right, everyone, these are in no particular order. I'm just going to go through the list. My first winner, who is going to win a pack of crew neck t-shirts, a pair of neoprene gloves, a skull cap, a Thin Blue Line bracelet. Hopefully you live in a cooler climate, so some of those things will be even more useful. The winner is GTTIQWT. Not sure what that stands for. It'll be up here in the wherever. Congratulations on winning those items. Winner number 2 is going to be Elvis Fan. Elvis Fan, you are going to win a flashlight, Clearwater patch from me, a couple of stickers, and a $25 off coupon from Galls for an order that you would maybe place in the future. All right, number 3 is going to be Enrique Castillo. Enrique, you are going to win the Galls Tactical Backpack, a 511 hat, and a $25 off coupon to Galls. Moving on, winner number 4, Torin Blevins. Torin, you are winning a pack of cooling boot socks, the double locking handcuffs, a tactical handcuff key, a nylon underbelt, and a Narcan holder to go on that. Hopefully that stuff works out for you. I actually saw here in the notes that you're a police explorer, so hopefully that should be very beneficial to you. All right, this should be winner number 5, Kelly Baudria. I hope I said that sort of right. I'll put it up in there so everybody knows. You are winning the mini med kit from Dynamed, a general use pouch from Galls, which you could put some of that stuff in or use it for whatever else you want, a $25 off coupon from Galls, and a tactical window punch for breaking out a window. So this little pack hopefully is something you can actually just throw all of these things right in your car, and it should be some nice safety gear and things that you would potentially use in those situations. Hopefully you never drive into a lake and need to punch out your window, but if you do, you're going to be able to do it with ease. All right, so winner number 6, and this is going to be from the gear sent to us by Galls. This is actually the Miami Police Vlog t-shirt, a City of Miami patch, a challenge coin, and a $25 off coupon from Galls. So Dylan, congratulations on that. Did I say the name? Dylan Hagstrom? That's who won that. And last but not least, this is going to be the stainless steel cigar cutter with the Thin Blue Line emblem on it from one of my earlier giveaways that was not claimed. So this is going to Riley Taylor. Riley, you're going to win this cigar cutter. So it's a nice showpiece. Even if you don't smoke cigars, you can throw it on display. It's a really, really cool piece of gear, if you want to call it that. So everybody, that wraps up the announcement of all the winners. I want to thank everybody who entered this giveaway. There were over 750 unique entries. I think there were over 800 comments, but the way the auto thing does it is you get one shot from one comment to keep it as fair as possible. So everyone, those are the winners. Like always, what I need from you, if you are one of the winners, I need you to take a screenshot of your YouTube homepage that just shows your login information so I can verify you are who you are. Send me an email with that screenshot in there or a picture of it, and also shipping information so I can send these items out to you. All right, everybody, I know this was a short one, but I needed to get this out. We were a little behind on everything, like I said, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you'll stick around for other giveaways. We're going to be doing more of these, and as we grow, like I said, when we hit these milestones, we're going to do more and more because I want to give back to you guys. You guys are so supportive of me and the channel, and I want it to be a win-win for everybody. I want you to be a part of this family that we have going on here. So stay tuned for some of the other videos that will be coming up soon. Just bear with me, and hopefully we'll have some good stuff to come and have fun with it. I hope everybody is doing great. So until the next one, take good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.